The difference between the influence of Japanese culture industries in Taiwan closer to this influence than Hong Kong brings also a difference in the age of the fandom, what also reflects a difference of the social practice. We propose that this difference in the social practices is the existence of a distinction of a further subculture within the Japanese subculture existing in Taiwan. This distinction is not so clear in Hong Kong. Furthermore, there are differences between the image of Japan portrayed by the respondents of the questionnaire. In Taiwan, Japan becomes a closer and concrete other, while in Hong Kong, Japan is seen as a little more distant, at least than in Taiwan, an abstract figure. This difference could be argued has an important role in the development of a subculture within the subculture in Taiwan, where the activities of cosplay is closely related to the appropriative activities of doujinshi and internet, standing a new subculture that takes elements from Japan and at the same time tries to distinguish themselves from Japanese. The strong orientation to Japanese elements of the manga readers in Taiwan could be read as an element that urges in the fans a necessity of stress their own subculture. As an example of this, the integration of Taiwanese folk culture in the Taiwan fandom can be observed. In contrast, the rather distant image of Japan among manga readers from Hong Kong could contribute to form a rather abstract than concrete image of Japan, as this image equals to an exotic atmosphere with a Japanese atmosphere is it not an obstacle to hold within the fantasies of Hong Kong youth? Also, a least stress of the Japanese characteristic of manga in those readers can be read as a least stress in consider manga as a culture not of their own. However, this is just an hypothesis based on some of the tendencies in the result of survey, though some of these trends are ambiguous and making it necessary to expand the sample. And also, without a better understanding of the context by the qualitative research, this hypothesis could not be verified. Thank you for waiting.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. So,